What's happening, guys? We've got a brand new production picture from Mark Webb and it screams Sinister Six to me. First of all, check out the plate number. We've got number 6, which pretty much confirms my theory. Next, we've got number 0, which is actually an O. Dr. Octopus was the first leader of the original Sinister Six, therefore we've got an O, which stands for Octopus. As for letter Z, which stands for the Legend of Zelda, it's actually Vulture's favorite video game. And another 6, which now confirms twice that the Sinister Six will be in a movie. Now check this out, the huge shadow. I'm pretty sure it comes from Vulture's wings, who swings up there above the car. As you can see, it pretty much confirms that Sinister Six will be in the Amazing Spider-Man 2, and this review was sponsored by comicbookmovie.com. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm off for now.